Boring ceilings are dead. Elevate your crib with Sonos In-Ceiling sound that hits from above. Let's face it, your sound setup might be mid-floor speakers or cluttering your space, wires are wilding, and your living room still sounds like a tin can on karaoke night. You want immersive audio, but not at the cost of your vibe. This is 2025, fam. Why is your ceiling just chilling up there doing nothing? Enter the Sonos In-Ceiling by Sonance, INCLGWW1, the game changer that breathes cinematic sound into your ceiling like it's got lungs. It's time to turn the meh into chef's kiss. Ready to upgrade the soundtrack of your life from basic to baller? Now, why are these bad boys better than the rest? Simple. Sonos teamed up with Sonance, two titans of audio, to serve you buttery, natural sound that flows like smooth jazz but punches like Kendrick live. These aren't just speakers, they're stealthy sonic ninjas. Optimized for the Sonos Amp and fine-tuned with Trueplay, they don't just adapt to your room, they study it like a nerd with straight A's. No other in-ceiling system this discreet hits this hard. Want to hear the difference? You've got to feel it. Get yours and stop letting mediocre audio punk your ears. What really sets them apart? Let's talk specs that slap. A 165mm woofer for room-filling bass, a 25mm tweeter for sparkling highs, and 90 degrees of clean stereo spread that hits every corner like an audio massage. They disappear into your ceiling with paintable grills, round or square, leaving no trace, just full volume vibes. When powered by the Sonos Amp, the DSP, digital sound processing, kicks in like a DJ adjusting EQ in real time. Sound too good to be true? It's not. It's Sonos. Tap in and let your ceiling speak volumes. Imagine 3 pairs of these powered by a single Sonos Amp. That's 6 speakers, no clutter, no extra mess, just audio perfection dripping from above. You save space, time, and the stress of clunky installations. Let Trueplay do its magic and auto-tune your space like an invisible audio engineer. You've got better things to do than fiddle with settings. Whether it's a chill dinner, gaming sesh, or unexpected house party, your room is always ready to flex its sound muscles. Need sound that works smarter, not harder? This is your move. Sonos plus Sonance equals a forever flex. These in-ceiling speakers deliver 130 watts of deliciously clean power that'll outlive your furniture. Built to blend in but sound like they're center stage, they're a no-brainer for audiophiles and interior design snobs alike. And with paintable grills and ultra-thin depth, they fit like they were born there. For the price of a mid-range soundbar, you get a ceiling full of premium audio that's built to last. Don't just hear your music, feel it from above. Buy now and let your ceiling finally earn its keep.